Hello, welcome to BackToCoding. Today we will be talking about what are activities and layouts and how they work together. Every Android app is a collection of screens and each screen is comprised of an activity and a layout. An activity is a single defined thing that your user can do. You might have an activity to compose an email, take a photo or find a contact. Activities are usually associated with one screen and they are written in either Java or Kotlin. A layout describes the appearance of the screen. Layouts are written as XML files and they tell Android how the different screen elements are arranged. Let's look in more detail at how activities and layouts work together to create a user interface. First, the device launches your app and create an activity object. The activity object specifies a layout. The activity tells Android to display the layout on screen. The user interacts with the layout that's displayed on the device. The activity responds to these interactions by running application code. The activity updates the display, which the user sees on the device. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to check my other videos which can be really helpful to you.